Hi everybody, I'm JC. Welcome back to those who've seen me before. If you're new to this channel, what we do here is we explore new hobbies, and we've started with electronic kits, soldering kits to be exact. And we've done a few. There was a few mishaps and surprisingly good ones. And we today we're gonna do a Game Boy, Pixel Game Boy. I'm going to show you what it looks like, what it's supposed to look like, and then I'm going to continue to assemble it and we'll see if it works. These items I bought on Amazon, and they are fairly cheap. They're not expensive. I thought I'd start with something small, something low cost, and work my way up. Um, okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, this is what it's supposed to look like when you're done with it. So that would be your board that you play on. I imagine that would be your score. These are your buttons: left, right, up, down, and another function and another switch there. A USB port there. I'm not sure. Maybe it's for external power supply. Yeah, it's just close up with the different parts of it. All right, so I imagine it's like something like Tetris. There's Tetris there. I don't know these three, I must say. The only one I know is Tetris. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, so obviously runs off full batteries. Not sure what is it, AA or AAA? Oh, AA. It says there AA. And this is what the kit looks like once I've taken it out of the plastic bag. Some more of that, dimensions of the box, etc. Let's open the plastic bag and see what we got. Okay, so this is it. Open the envelope. That's the box it comes in. Well, that's the last thing we assemble. So we can put that one side, and then let's have a look at the rest of this. So far, there's no surprises. The PC board looks like we're only working on one side. And I see one thing here that I haven't seen on the previous one is the actual indication for the battery. This is where the battery is connected, which in the previous model we've built, that wasn't the case. We didn't have that. I had to guess where the battery goes. So that's the battery holder. That can go one side. Okay, so those are all the big things. This one we're going to keep on the table because we need it. This would be the display unit, the microcontroller, and some more display units. That's for the game playing. And then we have a few buttons. And wow, there's not much components in here, is there? There's a microcontroller, about the only thing that really matters here. There's some sticky foam, not sure what that's for. There's your USB connector, and then these switches. So basically what we got is a bunch of switches: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an on-off switch. And that would go with the switches, and this would go with the on-off switch, USB, and we have a transistor, a capacitor, a resistor, and another one. Okay, so it looks too easy to be right. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'll get cracking. I'm not complaining. Let's just do it. Okay, I'm not going to set a timer, but no, I'm not doing that. I think this would be, if I leave it like that, then I can do these and then turn it for the switches. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I did forget to say that there is a color pamphlet that came with it. So in a color pamphlet, first time I see a colored one. There is some English, some Chinese. Yeah, and a parts list on this side, and another picture of the PC board. I'm sure I'll work it out. Can't be too hard. I'm going to start with the resistor. Okay, that's the soldering done, and I am now going to try and clean this board. I've learned, and that's why I'm doing this, to learn and to decide what I like. And I've learned to clean this board. You need to clean it. If you don't clean it, your project won't work. You just get a few cleaning materials here, and then after that I'll stick in the processor and the buttons, and then we'll build a box and put batteries in it and see if it works. Yeah, not sure what this is for. Maybe I should read the manual again. Interesting. Manual that press the battery case into. Oh, that's for the battery. Sticky pad is for the battery. That's where it goes. Okay, cleaning performed. I'm gonna fit this processor and the caps for the switches. And this one goes in this way because the notch is on that side. Let's just see. Oh, get this alcohol away from my nose. Let's try again. The key is not to press too hard when they're not aligned. There you go. Is that it? Is that going in? Good. Right. Finally it's in. And I can see that they're all nicely lined up there and nicely lined up there. Great. All right, now these switches. Let's do this. Okay. The on-off switch, and that would go this way. Right. And then these guys, I never know which way these guys should go. I think it's any, mini, money, mo. Any way you like, I think. I don't think there's a specific way for them to go. Hmm. I think that's correct. And then, oh, you dummy. Oh, I've made a mistake. I I thought I could use this hole to put the wire through. And no, you can't. Okay, start your engines. I need the soldering iron to get that off. At least it's only two wires. It needs to come off. Ah, damn. All right, never mind. I'll get it sorted. Okay. Right, so I can see where the. Ah, yeah. Of course. Yeah, messed up. Once again, I boxed myself in. The wire should go on the should be on the outside of this, so I have to take it off again. Okay, I have 4 new AA batteries. I'm going to stick them in. There you go. Right. Let's get this light out of the way. And let's press the button. Oh, Tetris. Tetris is the first one. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, let's see. If it moves, that's game 2, game 3, game 4. What's that? Sure, what that's supposed to be. Is that a game? Ah, okay. No, I don't know what that's supposed to be. Looks like a bone. Alright. Don't know what that means. 4, 3, 2. Let's see if we can. Okay, so I can now move it this side. I think that's the best thing to do, and then drop it down. And then this one, yeah, let's stick that one down there. Oh, I know where I can put that one. Yay, got one. Scores 1. Oh my. Don't get carried. Go this way. 2. Yes. Am I supposed to eat this? I think I'm supposed to eat this. Oh yeah, this. You just gotta eat the peas, don't you? Oh, but this music will kill me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the laser one. So I'm gonna start shooting. No, wait, hang on. When can I shoot? Oh, I forgot. It's that button there. The same button that you used to. Okay, well, you get the idea. I'm playing upside down anyway, so I guess I'll get a better game if I play this way. But yeah, I think you've seen what it does. And well, so far this is the best result I had for a project. I'm just not sure if I can plug the USB in while the batteries are in. I guess not. I think it's going to be one of those where somewhere there's a warning telling you to remove the batteries. I haven't read all the instructions, I must say. There is some instructions here about something to do with the batteries. After power up, DC 5 volt or for a batteries press up, blah blah blah. Press the left right buttons to okay, no, it doesn't say that. It doesn't say that you have to remove a battery. No, it doesn't say that. But I think it's advisable not to do that because some of these items, like the calculator that I built, this guy that I built a week or two ago, this one has a battery, and what they tell you on this one is that it's got one of these batteries, and it tells you to, if you're going to plug in the mains there at the USB, then you must remove this, otherwise it will damage the battery. So that's yeah, that's why I keep the battery out. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks. Okay, there you've seen it. And obviously I'm all smiles. I'm happy. It works. It's a good product. Uh, it works. It's got no issues. It's the first time I built a project that actually 100% works without any issues. And with all the other things, I had to go back again. But I'm learning, and that's the thing. That's what's happening here. Is I'm learning to keep the PC board clean. The flux tend to make a bit of a mess, and I've got a feeling that most of my projects before was due to flux that was not properly cleaned. And I'm making more effort to clean it, and I'm learning, and yeah, I'm happy. I'm gonna play. Great, man. And I'm surprised as well. And with this instructions, it's in color. It's in 2 languages. So yeah, you can have it in Chinese or in English, what you prefer. Yeah, I can't say anything bad about it. Nothing. I can't say anything bad about it. It's great. I just wish, it's not bad, but I just wish the batteries had like a better retainer here, something, maybe a strap, maybe a clip that you can put around here to hold it in. Because if this thing drops just so much, one battery's gonna fall out, or all of them's gonna fall out. Other than that, I think it's great. It's fantastic. Okay. On that note, thank you for watching.